Actually, when I was told about the With You app and whether I wanted to be associated with it, I don't think I even, the minute they told me that it's about women's safety in India, I think I didn't even question them. I didn't even want to know what, why, how, where. In fact, I was the one who made the call to Star India that I would like to be a part of this. I think somewhere if actors have the voice to reach out, one must do that. And I mean, I was not afraid at all to make a call to Star and to be open about the fact that I would want to be a part of it. I think that I never shied away from that. I didn't wait for them to actually come to me. It was, I mean, I think I jumped the gun, and that, I mean, I'm proud to say that also. Well, honestly, I can proudly say that I'm the only actor who doesn't roam around with a bodyguard. I It's a strict no. In fact, both in Saif and me don't endorse having a bodyguard at all. Saif walks in his shorts to the gym. I mean, he's like that. He loves to walk my dog, and he wants to walk around the block. And I want to walk my dog. I think it's amazing that to just, I mean, take a stroll and do that. But obviously, I mean, after 6 in the evening, you're scared. But that doesn't mean that because I'm a star and I have the ability to hire a bodyguard, I mean, I don't want to. I wouldn't want to use that particular quality of a star, and I've never been like that. I've grown up working since the age of 17, and I want to do it till the age of 70. I want to be able to walk the streets of my city and feel safe. Um, you know, hop across to the bakery and pick up things. That's the way I am, and I want to continue. And hopefully, like I keep saying, that with You app and this initiative, all of y'all will feel completely safe. And I hope that stars just don't use that kind of an excuse to have a bodyguard, because we also, apart from being stars, we're also a voice that people, kind of, they listen to us.
Sure.
And they want us to set an example. So I'm hoping in that way we can, or at least I can. Just brand के लिए जो भी मैंने endorse किया है आज तक, it's always been something that has been a part of me. And जैसे मैंने पहले कहा था कि when Star India had come up with this initiative, I just believe in the fact that being a woman and being somebody whom a lot of people would look up to, I would like to have a voice where I could speak about the fact that women need to be protected. I mean, the crime rate is growing. Like I said earlier, okay, every 22 minutes there is a rape in our country. Well, I mean, I think women somewhere, I'm not being biased, but women somewhere have this general sense of nurture. They know exactly. They are just, I don't know, I just feel that they have a sense where they tend to be sharper than men. They also grow and, understand things much faster than a man. A man takes time, I feel, to grow. And women, somewhere, I feel that we will have that sense when things are, kind of going wrong. And now I'm coming back to the With You app. It's something that all of us must try and download on our instruments somewhere to keep, just for the fact that, that's your bodyguard now. You don't really need a handsome, good-looking man to be your bodyguard. When you have this, you can still feel free and, walk the streets. Well, I mean, I don't know, throughout the making of Talash, we shot in areas which were quite and quite gruesome. The real by-lanes of Bombay, which I never thought that I would also walk because of the character that I was playing. So probably then I would wish that this app was there. I wish this app was there for all those girls out there, who would have to take up this job. It's for everyone, this kind of an app. And the number of smartphones and Androids that are being used today, I mean, I don't know, the rate is skyrocketed in the last 9 months. Everyone is, so is my cook, even he's on a Samsung, so that's the way it's growing.